Okay, good morning, all. In the today's session, I am going to give a demo on Salesforce. So we are going to discuss some basic or fundamental points before we go into the actual content. So as part of this demo session, we are going to discuss, or I am going to answer some questions like, what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Okay. And why Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Then I will discuss why we need to use Salesforce or why businesses or organizations use Salesforce. Then I will discuss what are the products offered by Salesforce. Products offered by Salesforce. Then who are using Salesforce? Who are using Salesforce? What is the market share of Salesforce? Market share of Salesforce in CRM market. And what are the various career opportunities? Career opportunities in Salesforce. And at last, I'm going to discuss about what is the future scope. Future scope of Salesforce. And finally, I will be discussing what modules or what content we are going to cover as part of our curriculum. Okay, these are the questions to which I'm going to provide the answer for you in the today's demo session. So first of all, what is Salesforce? What do you mean by Salesforce? Any idea? What is Salesforce? Salesforce is, it is a cloud-based CRM platform. It is a cloud-based CRM platform which enables businesses to manage their customer relationships more efficiently. Okay, this is what you call as Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application, or it is a cloud-based CRM platform, okay, which businesses use or organizations use in order to manage their customers or customer relationships very efficiently. Now, what do you mean by cloud-based CRM application? What do you mean by cloud-based CRM application? First of all, what do you mean by cloud application? Then what is CRM? Let me explain that. What do you mean by cloud-based application? So what are the types of applications we have in IT industry? Any idea? How many types of applications we have in IT industry? So we have two types of applications in IT industry. Any idea what are they? First one is, yes, on-premise application. This is the first type of application. And second one is on demand. On demand, these are also called as cloud applications. on-demand or cloud applications. Okay, what do you mean by on-premise and what do you mean by cloud application? What do you mean by on-premise application? On-premise means, the name itself says on-premise means local. That means local to the system. That means on-premise applications require software installation in the local system. That means without installing software in the local system, you cannot access or you cannot use these applications. Okay, we cannot use these applications without installation of the software in the local system. Such applications are called as on-premise applications. Can you name some of the on-premise applications which we use in our day-to-day life? Yes. So MS Word, that is Microsoft MS Office. Okay, without installing MS Office, can you use? No. Okay, operating systems. Okay, it may be any operating system. It may be any software like C programming or C++. Without installation of the software, can you use them? No. Adobe Reader, some media players. Okay, all these require installation of the software in the local system, etc. Okay, without installing software in the local system, we cannot access these applications. Okay, such type of applications are called as on-premise applications. And the second type is on-demand or cloud. On-demand or cloud applications which do not require any software installation in the local system. Without installing any software in the local system, we can access them. How? Just by using browser and internet. Okay, so we can access these cloud applications using internet, using browser and internet. That means you no need to install any software in the local system. Just by using browser and internet, we can access these applications. Such applications are called as cloud applications. Such applications are called as cloud applications. Okay, so you don't need to install any software in the local system. So we know nowadays almost all the devices support browser and internet, whether it may be your laptop, whether it may be a desktop or even mobiles. Okay, whatever may be the device, nowadays almost all the devices supports browser and all the devices supports internet. So you can access cloud applications just by using a browser and internet without installing any software in the local system. Such applications are called as cloud applications. So Salesforce is also a cloud-based CRM application. That means you don't need to install any software in the local system. If you want to use Salesforce, okay, for your business or for your application development, okay, if you want to use Salesforce, you don't need to install any software in the local system. Just by using browser and internet, we can make use of this Salesforce application. Okay, so Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application. Now we came to know what is a cloud-based. Now let me explain what do you mean by CRM. What do you mean by CRM? Okay, now CRM. So CRM stands for relationship customer relationship management. CRM stands for customer relationship management. Okay, so Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application. What do you mean by CRM? It is CRM stands for customer relationship management. The name itself says customer relationship. How we are maintaining the customer relationship? Okay, so we are maintaining this customer relationship by using some combination of some practices, strategies, and technologies that companies or organizations use to manage and analyze. This is called as CRM. Okay. CRM is the combination of practices, strategies, and technologies which companies use in order to manage customer relationships very efficiently. Okay, in order to manage the customer relationships more efficiently, or to manage their customers and to analyze the customer relationships, or to analyze the customers data or customer relationships, we can make use of this CRM. CRM is customer relationship management, which is the combination of some best practices, strategies, and technologies which organizations or businesses or companies use in order to manage and analyze. In order to manage and analyze. Clear? So why we need to use this CRM application? So what is the aim of or goal of any organization or any business? What is the goal of any organization or any business? Their goal will be to improve the customer relationships, okay, and to retain their customers so that they can achieve their goals, that is, they can drive towards growth in their sales. Okay, so if you are not able to manage your customers efficiently, if you are not retaining your customers, old customers or new customers, whoever they may be, can you reach your goals, business goals or aims? No. Okay, so companies or organizations use this CRM application, okay, in order to retain their customers, to have better customer relationships, and finally achieve or drive towards sales growth. Drive towards sales growth. So the aim is to achieve the sales growth. So how can we achieve the sales growth? By maintaining better customer relationships, or by maintaining better customer relationships, or by managing the customers, analyzing the customers data more efficiently by using this CRM application. Okay, so the goal is to retain the customers, or the goal is customer retention, customer retention, customer retention, to improve customer relationships, and finally drive towards sales growth. Okay, so this is the aim of using CRM application. Okay, so companies or organization use CRM application in order to manage their customers more efficiently, to retain their customers, and finally achieve the sales growth or their sales targets. Okay, without any sales goals or without any targets or goals, no organization will work. Okay, in order to reach or in order to drive towards their goal, okay, so organizations or companies can make use of this CRM application in order to maintain customer relationships more efficiently. Okay, this is the answer for my first question, that is, what is CRM application? Sorry, what is Salesforce? So what is Salesforce now? It is a cloud-based CRM application which organizations or businesses use to manage their customers more efficiently. Okay, so I think you are clear. We came to know what is a cloud-based application, what is CRM platform. Okay, so what is the use or why companies are using this CRM application? Okay, now, why Salesforce? Already I have answered this question also. So why companies are using Salesforce, or why businesses or organizations are using Salesforce? Okay, the main aim is to have better customer relationships. Okay, by providing them with more efficient and organized way to manage their data. Okay, so Salesforce is a CRM application which helps the organizations to manage their customers' data or to organize their customers' data more efficiently. Okay, so that it can save their time and money by automating various processes. Okay, so that is why companies use Salesforce or organizations use Salesforce. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? Why Salesforce or why companies use Salesforce? To improve to improve customer to improve customer relationships to improve customer relationships by providing them with a more efficient and organized way to manage their data. Okay, so whenever you are able to manage your data more efficiently, it will save your time. Okay, not only that, companies also use Salesforce application to track customer interactions, to track or maintain sales data, manage leads, opportunities, and cases also, and cases. Okay, so not only by using this Salesforce CRM application, companies can maintain better customer relationships. Okay, not only managing the data efficiently and in an organized way, we can also track customer interactions, as well as we can manage our sales data. That means whatever the sales processes we are using as part of our business, we can track that sales data as well. We can manage the leads. We can manage the opportunities and cases also. What do you mean by leads? What do you mean by leads? Managing the leads. Sales data means you know. What do you mean by managing the leads? Lead is nothing but a person who has just shown interest in our product, or a person who has interest to buy our product is called as a lead. Lead is not our customer. Suppose if you are walking to any of the shop, for example, if you have interest to buy some mobile, you will enter that mobile store. You will be viewing the different models which are placed in that mobile store. Okay. And if you really like any of the mobile product, if it is in your budget, you are going to purchase that product. Okay. Only when you purchase the product, you will be called as customer. Okay. Suppose simply if you are walking into that shop and after viewing all that different models which they have placed in the mobile store, if you are not happy, with the model, or if you're not happy with the discount, whatever they're offering, if you're not happy with the price of that product, what you will do? Simply will walk out. You are not going to purchase that product or mobile. Okay. So in such case, you will not be converted as customer. Okay. Lead will be called as a customer only when he purchases our product. All the leads may not be converted into customers. Okay, some leads may not be satisfied with whatever the warranty, discounts, offers which we are providing. So they may not be converted to customers. So we can manage the leads data also. Who is going to collect this? So generally marketing department is going to collect the leads data. Okay, so we can manage the lead records that is leads data also by using this Salesforce CRM application. We can store the leads data as well. We can manage the opportunities. Opportunities is nothing but how much business the customer has done with us, or how much revenue he has generated for us is nothing but called as opportunity. Opportunity simply means money. Opportunity simply means money. Maybe today that person may buy one product from us. After 1 year, he may buy one more product. After 3 years, he may buy one more product. After another 5 years, he may purchase one more product. Okay, so we can store whatever the revenue he has generated for us. Okay, we can manage all these opportunities also by using Salesforce CRM application. Simply opportunity means money. Okay, suppose you will go to supermarket. Okay, suppose you will be walking to supermarket to purchase some groceries. So once you purchase all the groceries, whatever it may be, vegetables, fruits, or some household groceries. So finally, what you will do, you will go to the billing counter. In the billing counter, they are going to generate the bill. So what that bill contains? That bill contains quantity, item name, how much quantity, price, unit price of that product, and total price. Final bill will be provided at the last. Okay, at the bottom you'll have total bill you have to pay. So what is that called? That is nothing but called as opportunity. How much business you have generated for them is nothing but called as opportunity. So opportunity simply means how money. Opportunity simply means money, or the revenue that is generated by the customer for them is called as opportunity. And we can even manage cases also. We can manage cases also. What do you mean by case? For example, today customer has purchased some mobile from us. Maybe after 2 years, he may face some problem with that mobile. Okay, he has some problem. He's facing some problem with that mobile, due to which he is not able to call to his neighbors or friends. So what he is going to do? Immediately, he is going to visit nearby customer care center, or he is going to call the customer care, and he's going to raise a complaint or a case. He's going to raise a complaint or a case. What do you mean by case? Case is nothing but the detailed complaint which the customer is facing problem with the product is called as a case. It is the detailed complaint, okay, which is raised by the customer regarding the problem he is facing with the product is called as case. Okay, so by using the Salesforce CRM application, not only managing or not only maintaining customer relationships, we can track sales data, we can manage the leads, opportunities, as well as cases also. This is the reason why Salesforce is being used by the businesses or organization, or why the organizations are using Salesforce. Clear? This is the answer for my second question, that is why Salesforce. Now, third one. What are the various products they are offering for their customers? What products Salesforce is offering for their customers? Now, let me give a note point on this. So Salesforce is providing so many products. They're providing so many services and products to their customers or to their. So let me name some of the important products which are offered by Salesforce. Like they're offering Sales Cloud. They're offering Service Cloud. Service Cloud. Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud. App Cloud. App Cloud. Health Cloud. Health Cloud. Commerce Cloud, and Experience Cloud. Experience Cloud. Like this, we have so many products which are offered by Salesforce to their customers. Okay, just I have named the important products which are offered by them to their customers, like Sales Cloud. Just a minute. So Salesforce is providing so many products, or they're offering so many products for their customers. So some of the important products are Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud, Health Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud. So these are some important products which are offered by Salesforce to their customers. Just briefly, I will say what exactly is Sales Cloud. So anyhow, in detail, we will be discussing as part of our sessions. Sales Cloud simply refers to sales application. Sales Cloud is nothing but it refers to sales application used to automate sales processes. Used to automate sales processes of any organization. Okay, so sales, what do you mean by Sales Cloud? So Sales Cloud simply refers to sales application using which we can automate the sales processes of any organization. Suppose if you are doing some business, if you are selling some products, it may be mobiles or laptops or whatever it may be. In order to automate your sales processes of your business, you can make use of this Sales Cloud application given by Salesforce. Okay, using which you can automate your daily sales of your organization. Okay, so what is the name of the product? It is called as Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud simply refers to sales application using which we can automate the sales processes of any organization. Next, second one is Service Cloud. The name itself says Service Cloud, simply it refers to service application. Service Cloud means service application. Service application. Service application used to automate the service processes of any organization. Okay, so Service Cloud refers to service application which is given by Salesforce. It is a product offered by Salesforce to their customers to automate the service of any organization. Okay, we know most of the organizations not only having sales, they'll be providing service also. Okay, suppose for example, if you take Dell. Okay, for example, if you take Dell, Dell is an organization, okay, which is selling so many products to their customers. Is Dell providing service or not? They are providing even service also to their customers. Okay, because simply if they are providing sales and if they are not providing service to their products, so people will not show interest to buy the products. Okay, so Service Cloud is a service application which is provided by Salesforce to automate service processes of any organization. Okay, any organization. For any organization, if you want to automate the service processes, what do you mean by service processes? So service means resolving the cases, whatever the complaints or cases which are raised by the customers. Okay, so those cases must be registered. Okay, so you have to provide the solution for that cases, or those cases must be resolved. And once this case is resolved, Okay, you can collect the feedback from the customer, how the case was resolved, so now whether the product is working fine or not. So you can collect the feedback. All this data you can automate by using this service application. Okay, for example, if you are facing some problem with your, for example, if you are using some washing machine in your home, suppose if you are facing some problem. So for example, it is from LG company. What you are going to do, immediately you will call, okay, customer care, LG customer care, and you are going to register a case. Within 48 hours, they are going to send the service engineer or service technician. Okay, he is going to check what exactly is the problem. Okay, and he's going to provide the solution to the problem, or he's going to resolve that case. Once the case is resolved, he will ask to provide the feedback. Yes or no? So all these things you can automate, okay, by using the Service Cloud application given by Salesforce. Okay. Similarly, we have Marketing Cloud application. Marketing Cloud simply refers to marketing application used to automate the marketing processes. Used to automate the marketing processes of any organization. Okay, so if you want to automate marketing processes of any organization, we can make use of this Marketing Cloud application given by Salesforce. So what marketing people will do? They are going to capture the lead records by using various marketing channels. Like they may conduct some campaigns, they may conduct some seminars, they may conduct some stalls, trade shows, TV advertisements, theater advertisements, they may distribute some pamphlets, they may distribute some samples. Okay, email marketing, digital marketing, we have different ways of marketing the products. Who is going to do all these things? Marketing department. Through these various marketing channels, what they are going to do? What is the job of the marketing department or marketing people? Their job is to capture the lead records. So in order to automate all these processes, we can make use of this Marketing Cloud application given by Salesforce. Similarly, we have App Cloud, Health Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud. So many we have. They are providing so many products to their customers. So we will discuss about all these things also. Okay, what exactly all these are, we will discuss anyhow in our regular sessions. Okay. Next. So this is the answer for my third question. What are the products we offered by Salesforce to their customers? These are some of the important products. Okay. Now, next, who are using Salesforce? So who are using Salesforce means Salesforce have more than 150,000 customers worldwide. Okay, they have more than 150,000 customers. Okay, more than 150,000 customers worldwide. And I would like to name some of the prominent customers who are using Salesforce CRM application to automate their business process. Okay, like some of their prominent customers are Walmart Incorporation, US Bank, American Express, Amazon, Toyota, BPCL, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Godrej Group, Razorpay, so etc. So more than 150,000 customers are using Salesforce application to automate their business processes. Some of the prominent customers I have listed out here. So they have customers from Fortune 500 companies also. They have medium enterprises who are using Salesforce CRM application. Even small companies or small organizations are nowadays using Salesforce CRM application to automate their business processes. Okay, so I've listed out the prominent organizations like Walmart Incorporation, US Bank, American Express, Amazon, Toyota, BPCL, Godrej Group, Razorpay, T-Mobile. Okay, most of their customers are from Europe nation. Most of them are from Europe and America. Okay, so however nowadays, okay, so they are having customers not only from Fortune 500 companies, they have medium size as well as small size companies who are using Salesforce CRM to automate their business processes. Okay, so this is the answer for my question. So initial days when Salesforce was launched initially in the year 2000, so some of them were hesitating to use Salesforce CRM application as part of their business, particularly banking people. Okay, banks. Okay, because we know banking companies, some organizations like banking sectors, insurance companies, healthcare industries like hospitals. Okay, so their data is very, so whatever the data, banks, insurance, financial organizations, hospitals, okay, so whatever the data they are storing, okay, their data is very confidential. Okay, in the initial days, they were hesitating to use Salesforce CRM application to automate their business. But nowadays, if you see, most of the banks are even using Salesforce CRM application to automate their processes. Okay, that means they have captured most of their business. Salesforce have captured most of the prominent customers. Okay, now almost all very big organizations, it may be related to banking, finance, insurance, healthcare industries are using Salesforce CRM application to automate their processes. Okay, next. What is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market? So I will show this. What is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market? So from here, you can understand this. Yeah, here you can see this. What is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market? So from here, it is clear for you. So if you see, so this figure is in the year 2022. What is market share of Salesforce in the CRM market? It is 23%. So in the year 2022, their market share in the CRM market is 23%. So when you compare it with their top four competitors, like Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, Adobe, together, if you see their market share in the CRM market, so 5.7 is for Microsoft, Oracle 4.8, SAP 4.6, and Adobe 3.6. Together, their top four competitors' market share is close to 19%. It is close to 19%, whereas only Salesforce market share in the CRM market is 23%. You can see almost they have captured most of the market. Okay, so this figure shows, okay, that Salesforce have captured most of the CRM market in the IT industry. Okay, their customers are increasing day by day and their market share is also increasing year by year. Okay, so their top four competitors, no one is very close to them. Okay, so you can see Microsoft 5.7, okay, and Salesforce is 23. It is nowhere close to Salesforce. Okay, so this is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market. Next. So this is the answer for my fifth question. What is the market share? It is in 2022, it is 23% of the CRM market. Next, what are the career opportunities as a student we have in Salesforce? In Salesforce, we have three types of career opportunities. We have three types of career opportunities in Salesforce. So like functional side, technical side, and management side. These are the three types of opportunities we have in Salesforce. Functional side means, so first you can become Salesforce admin, you can become business analyst, and you can grow as solution architect. You can become a solution architect. You can become a solution architect. Next, suppose if you choose to go technical side, here also you can become first Salesforce admin, sorry. Okay, so then you can become a Salesforce developer. You can become a Salesforce developer. Then you can become a technical lead. You can become a technical lead. Then you can become a technical architect. You can become a technical architect, and you can grow as program architect, or you can become a program architect. And suppose if you choose to go management side, here also first Salesforce admin. Okay, then you can become a consultant, and you can become a project manager, and you can finally become program manager. Okay, so these are the various career opportunities we have in Salesforce. Okay, not only that, you have to become a Salesforce developer. You can choose any of these career opportunities, like you can go functional side. So you can become an admin, Salesforce admin. You can become a business analyst and solution architect. So here you don't require knowledge of any coding. Okay, whenever you choose to go functional side, you don't need to learn any programming part or programming language in Salesforce. Suppose if you are a good programmer, if you are interested to become a good Salesforce developer, then you have to choose technical side. Here also, first you can become admin, you can become a Salesforce developer, you can grow as technical lead, technical architect, and finally you can grow as program architect. And one more, we have management side. So here also you can become an admin consultant, and this is purely related to management position. So project manager, and you can then finally grow as program manager. So suppose if you are good at programming, then you can choose this technical side. Else you can choose either to go to functional side or management side. It still depends on our interests and our capabilities. Okay, so matters here. So accordingly you can choose. Okay, so not that compulsory you have to become a Salesforce developer. So depending upon your capabilities and interest, you can choose any of these three types of career opportunities in Salesforce. Okay, not only in Salesforce, in any, it may be related to Java also, .NET also, you will have these roles. These career opportunities will be available. Okay. So for those who don't know, so just I have listed out the opportunities. And what is the future scope? Next, seventh one is future scope of Salesforce. So we came to know that Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM application. It is a cloud-based CRM application, and it is a CRM application, and the growth of CRM applications, and particularly cloud applications, is being increased day by day. And therefore, because Salesforce is a CRM application, cloud-based CRM application, the future of Salesforce looks very bright, because the demand for software professionals or software engineers continues to grow with the more adoption of cloud-based technologies and growth of CRM systems. So definitely there is no doubt that the need for Salesforce expertise will be increasing in the coming years. Okay, because it is a cloud-based CRM application. So because of the adoption of cloud-based technologies, okay, so going ahead, so the requirement for Salesforce expertise is definitely will be more in the coming years. Okay, future looks very bright. There is no doubt about that. So there is no any doubt in learning Salesforce, okay, as a career or choosing Salesforce as a career opportunity, okay, for the students. Next, last one is what are the various modules we are going to cover as part of this curriculum? Okay, as part of this curriculum, I'm going to cover three important modules. First one is Salesforce admin. We also call it as configuration. Salesforce admin or configuration module. Purely, it's non-programming. There is no any programming involved in this module. So whatever the features that are provided by Salesforce, by using, I'm going to show how to use the various features. Okay, so there is no single program I'm going to write as part of this Salesforce admin or configuration module. Okay, so completely zero programming. There is no programming involved in this admin module or configuration module. Second one is Salesforce development. So Salesforce development means here we are going to use, or I'm going to discuss about a programming language that is Apex programming. Apex programming. Okay, so like Java or C#.NET or C++, Apex is also an object-oriented programming language. So those who have got some knowledge on object-oriented programming, so it is very easy for them to understand Apex. Okay, so compared to C#.NET or Java, Apex is very easy. Okay, so in the second module, we are going to discuss purely programming, that is Apex programming, which comes under development module. And third one is Lightning Web Components. Lightning Web Components, it is a new programming model given by Salesforce to build web applications. To build web applications. So in the year, very recently, in the year 2018, December, Salesforce have introduced this new programming model called as Lightning Web Components, using which we can build dynamic and attractive user interfaces, or we can build web applications. Okay, these are the three modules which I'm going to cover as part of our curriculum. So admin requires so around 1 month. Okay, so course duration 1 month for admin. This also requires 1 month, and Lightning Web Components require so 2 weeks. It requires 2 weeks. So these are the different modules I'm going to discuss, and this is the course duration. And when it comes to Salesforce, even most of the non-technical, non-IT, non-technical students are also can learn Salesforce very easily, because here we don't have any. So I'll answer your queries once I complete this. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes time. So I will give time for 5 to 10 minutes to answer your queries. Okay, so now, so even non-technical or non-IT students are able to learn Salesforce very easily. Okay, so because so admin does not require any programming knowledge. Okay, here we are not going to use any program. Okay, so learning admin or configuration is very easy, even if you belong to non-IT or non-technical background. And when it comes to Apex, compared to other programming languages which you have learned, it may be .NET, C#.NET, or Java or C++, Apex is comparatively very easy. Apex is comparatively very easy. So even though you are new to programming, it is not difficult to learn Apex. If you already have some knowledge on any of the programming language, particularly object oriented, then you can play with Apex. Even though you have not learned any object oriented programming language also, still it is not at all difficult to learn Apex. And the third one is Lightning Web Components. So it is also a very easy platform to learn, okay, using which we can develop or we can build attractive and dynamic user interfaces, or we can build web applications. Okay, before Lightning Web Components, we used to use Visual Force programming. Okay, we used Aura Lightning Components, that is Aura application. But Lightning Web Components is the latest programming model given by Salesforce. Okay, so using which we can build Lightning or we can build web applications. Okay, so if we have knowledge on these three modules, okay, so even though you are a fresher, okay, or even though you are experienced 2 to 3 years of experience also, getting a job in Salesforce is not difficult. Okay, there is no any mandatory that you should have knowledge on C language, C++, or Java or .NET to learn Salesforce. There is no any prerequisite. Okay, no prerequisite. Okay, even though you are completely non-technical background also, so we have students who have successfully learned and who have got better opportunities in Salesforce. Okay, clear? This is about the demo session on Salesforce. So I've answered few very important questions before we discuss the actual curriculum or content in Salesforce. So I've answered what is Salesforce, why Salesforce, what are the various products offered by Salesforce to their customers, who are using Salesforce, that is, who are the customers of Salesforce. I've listed out the prominent customers. What is the market share of Salesforce in the CRM market? What are the career opportunities we have in Salesforce? Okay, what is the future scope of Salesforce? And also, what are the prerequisites? Okay, there is no any prerequisite to learn Salesforce. Let me give that note point. Prerequisite. Prerequisites. So here we don't have any prerequisites, no prerequisites required to learn Salesforce. Even though you are belong to non-IT background, non-technical also, it is very easy to learn Salesforce. And these are the various modules which I'm going to cover. Okay, so maximum, so time duration is 2.5 months or 2.5 to 3 months. Within 3 months, we'll be completing our course. Okay, clear?